Yes, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends. Another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, baby. I hope you guys are rocking that world, dude, and always transforming that psychology, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys, on this channel, we talk all things confidence building, baby. We talk all things mindset. And I share with you powerful, deep insights when it comes to universal laws of attraction, dude. When it comes to quantum physics, which is science. I mix all this information together, and then I dish it out and share with you how reality truly works, baby. Yeah, buddy. And so, if you want to learn about these challenging concepts, if you want to learn how to break through your secret reality that you probably don't even know, then stick around, my friends, because today I'd like to share with you the higher laws that govern your reality. Yeah, buddy, baby. This is going to sound crazy, okay? Because there is higher laws governing reality that you probably don't even know of. I didn't know about them, but it's the way it goes, baby. And if you want to learn how to decode reality, if you want to learn these breakthrough secrets to creating the reality you want to create, then it's essential that you understand what I'm about to share with you. Okay, and here's the thing. If you're somebody who's not into mindset, into psychology, into quantum physics and law of attraction, if you think all this stuff is just woo-woo stuff, let me explain to you something really quick before we dive into this. Your point of view is what's giving you and controlling your reality. Your point of view. Okay, and so if you decide to think this stuff isn't real, just understand that it's not going to be real for you. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so with that being said, let's dive into it, dude. The secret laws, the higher laws of reality. So check it out, baby. On this channel, you guys, I always talk about these amazing concepts because all humans every day, from the time we were born, we live on universal laws of reality. Universal laws of attraction, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. It's freaking powerful, baby, if you understand it. Because, so you're probably asking yourself, well, what are these laws, right? What are these higher laws of reality? So here's the thing, dude. If I was to ask you, how do you create your reality? How do you create your reality? Do you even know how to create your reality? Yeah, buddy. A lot of people, they don't know that. And then a lot of people say, well, I do this and I do that and I go here and I go there and I think all these things. Exactly. People start to explain the functionality of what they're doing. You understand that the only reason you have that functionality of what you're doing from day to day is because of the thoughts that possess your mind, the words that possess your throat chakra. Right? Yeah, that's the way it goes. Your beliefs, baby, they are freaking governors. They are the commanders of what you believe to be true from day to day. These are all universal laws that we use to create reality. And so when we talk about higher laws of reality, you got to understand something, baby. These laws are higher compared to 98% of people walking on the face of the earth because they don't understand that there's higher laws of reality, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes. See, when you think a thought, you think upon that law of reality. Did you know that? Most people don't know that. And so when it comes to creating our life, when it comes to building the kind of lifestyle that we want to build, when it comes to analyzing who we are as people, we have to analyze what we're telling ourselves. Because whatever we tell ourselves, those invisible laws go into us. Yeah, buddy. If you weren't watching this on a video and you only heard this, like, let's say on a podcast or on a radio, you understand that you're receiving invisible frequencies, invisible universal laws of information. And those invisible universal laws of information, they literally attract into our life the energy of that information. Yeah, buddy, baby. Freaking amazing, dude. Most people don't know that. And so, you want to learn how to break through? I'm going to share with you right now the breakthrough knowledge secrets to what's governing your reality. See, all of us are working every single day. We have what is called a database, right? That database is a knowledge base, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And it's a secret, dude. Most people don't know that, dude. Most people don't. They're working with information all day, every day to give them the reality that they have, and they don't even know that they can unlock the knowledge of who they are. Well, Luke, why do I got to unlock that knowledge? Well, hey, check it out. Do you want a breakthrough in your life? Are you tired? Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? Are you sick and tired of living in the same cycle of information over and over and over again, expecting a different result? Yeah, buddy, baby. That's called insanity, my friends. Insanity is when you live life, you create a bunch of problems, and you can't stand having those problems, but yet you continually create those problems. And then you sit back and say, no, but it was them over there, and it was this person over here, and it was this over here, and it was my job, and it was this idea, and it was that idea. And so you blame it all on the outside world, right? You blame it on the rain, dude. Yeah, buddy. This is the way it goes, baby. Guess what, my friends? You're in charge of opening the umbrella so that you don't get soaking wet when the rain comes down. You see what I'm saying? That's the concept. So, when we're talking about breaking through, you have to be willing to see, when you break through something, you break through it. Something's in front of you, you break through it, right? So that you can get to the other end, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. Guess what, my friends? You've been tapping into higher laws of reality ever since you were a little kid. It's just that most people, once they get to a certain level of maturity where they feel like they know enough to take care of themselves, they don't even realize that there's actually higher and higher and higher laws of reality. Yeah, buddy, baby. So guess what? People live life creating problems. They live life creating frustration. They live life creating pain. They live life creating worry and sadness. So 10, 20, 30 years down the road, they create a life of regret, a life of resentment. Yeah, buddy, dude. This is the way it goes, my friends. And this is what I've learned, okay? And that's why I'm able to share this information with you, right? Because I've broken through the secret knowledge that was controlling me. I had a lot of bad knowledge controlling me before. A lot of negativity, a lot of anger, a lot of frustration, a lot of sadness, a lot of pissed offness. That's just the way it goes, man. And that's being real, dude. But guess what, dude? Higher laws, right? You start reading books, guess what? You tap into a different level, a different law of understanding. See, when you develop your knowledge, greater knowledge, you actually start to see things from a freaking imperialistic point of view. Oh, Luke, you're being cocky. You're being high and mighty. No. The word imperial exists for a reason, right? I mean, you're going to go buy some imperial butter, right? Not really, baby. We buy Smart Balance, right? For the most part. The point is this. When you climb the mountain to the highest point, guess what, dude? You have self-awareness. You can see what's below the mountain. You see the valley. You see everything, right? You see the trees. You see the rivers and the lakes, right? You see all the creeks, right? You see the animals, right? You see everything. Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. Guess what, dude? When you tap into higher laws of reality, you tap into higher laws of consciousness. See, there's certain laws that people are locked into in terms of their consciousness where they're controlled by anger. You understand that one law, one level of awareness, it carries nothing but anger and fear and resentment and greed and envy and pride and insecurity, and I'm unwilling to put in the effort and I don't care. Yeah, buddy, baby, freaking amazing, dude. Most people don't know that. But guess what? When you want to tap into a higher law of reality, guess what? You tap into love. You tap into unity, you tap into growth, you tap into forgiveness, you tap into gratitude, you tap into amazingness, you tap into courage, right? Men of goodwill, dude. But guess what? You can't just think the thought and immediately you're there. You have to internalize what you've been, this type of information in order to break through that knowledge, right? Because you're possessed by knowledge right now. And that knowledge could be negative. It could be insecure. It could be self-destructive. It could be, who cares? Nothing matters. Life sucks. Nothing else matters. See? You got to purge that out. You got to break through it, dude. You got to understand the higher laws of reality. Because, see, your personality creates your personal reality, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. Freaking amazing, dude. And that, my friends, are the higher laws of reality. Higher laws of reality exist when you decide to go higher up in thoughts. See, the Creator's ways are greater than our ways. But guess what? He gives us permission to tap into that, right? It's like an elevator ride, dude. You could be stuck on floor 1. Guess what, baby? You want to go to floor 2, floor 3? You want to go to the top of the mountain, baby? What do you want to do? It's up to you, dude. But that's how I've learned to break through whatever negativity, whatever frustration, whatever knowledge that's holding me back. You got to be willing to challenge what knowledge is possessing you right now. If you want to tap into greater laws of reality, because you're going to live life based upon the governing laws of psychology. All humans do it. It's just that most people don't understand there's greater laws of psychology. There's greater laws of awareness. See, it's possible to know something that somebody else doesn't know, right? And when you know it, when you have the knowledge, that means you have the awareness that they don't have. That gives you a bigger point of view, a bigger point of understanding. That should literally blow your mind. Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today, dude. I just wanted to rock some insights, rock some value, and share with you what I've learned about the higher laws of reality and how you can create that reality. See, you internalize the personality that you have, and because you internalize that personality, that knowledge, that awareness, guess what? You get the reality of the personality that possesses it. Ooh, yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. Check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, if you guys like content like this, consider subscribing, baby. If you like the video, boom, dude. Big ol' Hulk smash, dude. Hit the little bell notification if you want to receive updates when I share these type of videos, dude. But I do thank you, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Yeah, buddy. That's the way you do it. If you want new knowledge, you got to break through to that new level of knowledge so that you can tap into or access higher laws of the universe, right? Yeah, buddy, baby.